If your Windows 11 PC is lagging, freezing, or struggling with memory-intensive tasks, customizing your paging file size, also called virtual memory, can seriously improve performance, especially if you are low on physical RAM. Let's walk through the steps to manually set the best paging file size for your system. Click on the Windows search icon, type sysdm.cpl. Press enter on your keyboard. In the System Properties window, click on the Advanced tab. Under Performance, click on Settings. In the new window again, click on Advanced, then under Virtual Memory, click on Change. By default, Windows automatically manage paging file size for all drives. Uncheck the box that says Automatically Manage Paging Files. Now head down and then click on Custom Size. For the initial size, use the recommended value displayed below the settings window. For example, if it shows 1909 MB, enter that value as your initial size. So I'll go ahead and enter mine. For the minimum size, this should be 3 times your total RAM in MB. And here is how to calculate it. Open your calculator, and I have 8 GB RAM. So I'll go ahead and multiply my RAM, which is 8 GB, times 1024. Again times 3. Now I have 24,576. So I'll go ahead and enter this value as my maximum size. And don't include the commas. Then you click on Set. Then OK. Then again OK. You'll be prompted to restart your PC. Make sure you do so to apply the changes. That's all for this tutorial. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a useful Windows tip like this. See you in the next one.